guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel Girl Next to the Side. I hope you all are doing well. So this is the first of my under 2-minute review videos that I am going to start now. It's a kind of a series where I talk about some of the products that I have used and which you might be thinking of buying, and I will give a very short review of that. So let's start today's video. So the product that I'm going to talk about is this product right here. This is the 1% kojic acid daily face wash from Derma Co, and the bottle looks something like this. So it is meant to work on dark spots and pigmentation. So first of all, this is a 100 ml of tube and costed me I think somewhere around 257. It's always on discount, although the marked price is somewhere around 299. It has 1% kojic acid, 1% niacinamide and alpha arbutin. So this is how it looks like, guys. I'll tell about the pros and cons of it. The very first pro is that it foams very well. This is something like, if I'm just squeezing it, you can see that basically nothing is coming out, okay, which means that I've completely used it and then I'm sitting for this review. So first things first, it's like, it's very foaming face wash. It is so foaming that on days where I feel extremely lazy and I don't want to do an extensive shower routine, on that day I can use this even on my whole body. Yeah, so a little goes a long way. It's very foaming. It cleans the face very well, cleans the skin of your face very well. It makes it squeaky clean, okay, and yeah, it also gives a subtle glow to your face. Right after you use it, you will see that your dark spots have kind of faded because this is, by the way, meant for dark spots and pigmentation. So once you use it, after you use it, you will notice that your skin has a certain glow to your face and your complexion have become brighter, at least to 1 or 2 shades. That is all of the good things that I've noticed. Among the bad things is, first, it has a very it doesn't have a good smell basically, okay. So it contains kojic acid. Now if you guys have smelled kojic acid, you would know that kojic acid has a very weird kind of a pungent smell. It is a chemical, right? It is kind of an acid that works on your skin, but then the thing is, it doesn't smell good. So similarly, this face wash does not smell good, okay, at least that's what I felt. If you have smelled kojic acid, this smells exactly like kojic acid. That strong pungent smell is there in this face wash, okay, and but once you wash it off, that smell is completely gone. It's not gonna stay after a long time and keep bothering you. That is not gonna happen. And the other second thing that I felt is that this is good for combination to oily skin. This face wash makes your skin a bit dry after you use it. So if you are from the dry skin category, do not even buy this one. Do not even come near this one. This is meant for people who have oily skin and for those who have combination skin. I have combination skin and I feel really good. Now whether I'm going to repurchase this product or not, I don't think I'm going to do that, because the glowing effect, the cleaning effect, all of that I can get into a face wash which also smells good. So I think for Derma Co, this is something this is a very good face wash, guys. Don't get me wrong, but the smell bothers me a lot. That's the only con, and that is a big con for me because it kind of bothers me. Yeah, so yeah, that was all about my video about this face wash right here. It for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are liking the under 2-minute review. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.